Hi kids, we're going to do a couple of problems to explain order of operations. If you missed our live lesson, this will go with the slideshow that we have for today, so make sure you go through the slides. There's a quick video on which operations come first, but this video is going to help you go through the actual operations together here. So you need a piece of paper, so you're going to want to write this down. We're going to write 8 plus 7 and put it in parentheses. And then we have divided by 3. So we're going to solve this problem using order of operations. And when we use order of operations, we use PEMDAS to help us get through. The first thing you ask is, are there any parentheses? If there are, you solve that problem. 8 plus 7 is 15. I write, bring down my division sign and bring down my 3 because I have not used those yet. Then I still check, are there any more parentheses? Are there any exponents? Is there any multiplication or division? Those are together. It's multiplication and division from left to right. We only have a division problem left, so it would be 15 divided by 3, which is 5, and that is our final answer. So that's one problem for you. Let's try another. This time we're going to throw an exponent in. 8 to the second power minus 6 times 10. We're still going to use PEMDAS to help us go through the steps and make sure we do things in the correct order. If you don't do things in the correct order, you will come up with an incorrect answer. So the first thing we ask, are there any parentheses? Are there any exponents? We do have an exponent here. Remember, this is not 8 times 2. This really means 8 times 8. So that means we're going to bring down 64 minus 6 times 10. So I'm bringing down everything else, but I'm writing my answer below here. Now I come back up to PEMDAS, no more parentheses, no more exponents. Now I have multiplication and division from left to right. So I look here and I have 6 times 10, which is 60. I bring down my subtraction sign. I bring down my 64. Now I only have one problem left. I can just solve it. 64 minus 60 is 4. So that is how you solve a problem with an exponent in it. So now we're going to do one more. And this one you're going to put, we have several steps here, so we're going to try this one out. 4 times 6 minus 8 divided by 4. Remember, you can't just start over here and start working. Order of operations has rules you have to follow. So I always tell the kids, write PEMDAS above your problem just to remind you as you go. There's no parentheses, there's no exponents, but there is multiplication and division, but I have to do them from left to right. So my first problem is 4 times 6. So I'm going to bring down my 24, and then I'm going to bring down everything else that I haven't used. Then I'll notice I still have division here, so I have to solve my division problem over here. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and then I bring down what I haven't used. So I have 24 minus 2, which is 22 for my final answer. Hopefully these examples will help you get through today's quizzes, and we'll be doing more tomorrow to go through this skill. Have a great day.